Imagine a world where homes aren't built slowly in the mud, but assembled with precision in controlled factories. Where AI designs smarter, robots build faster, and housing becomes abundant and affordable for everyone. The built environment is overdue for its industrial revolution, and it's happening right now. Traditional stick-built methods can't keep up. Skyrocketing costs, endless delays, labor shortages, and a global housing crisis demand something better. Enter factory-built systems, AI-driven design, robotics, and modular principles. These deliver speed, precision, quality control, and affordability at a scale we've never seen before. Less waste, shorter timelines, lower costs, finally solving problems that have plagued construction for decades.
I'm Dave, a retired architect with 35 years of hands-on experience delivering modular panelized projects, schools, large-scale builds, and more. My career was always about saving time, cutting costs, and innovating through smarter systems. Now I'm channeling that expertise into something bigger. I am advocating for the shift that will redefine how we build.
On this channel, you'll get real deployments, cutting-edge robotic factories, hybrid 3D printed plus modular systems, and autonomous tools making the leap from prototype to production. Honest breakdowns, the real opportunities, roadblocks, and practical solutions seen through an architect's real-world lens. Grounded optimism, how these industrialized methods unlock shared housing abundance for families, communities, and the planet. Join the shift from job site chaos to factory precision. Watch how we're moving construction into the 21st century. One panel, one robot, one smarter design at a time. If you're tired of the old way and excited about abundance through better building, subscribe and hit the bell. Let's build a brighter, more abundant future together.